Hello everybody, in these examples we're going to talk about how chords are intersected by diameters and radii that are perpendicular, and how congruent chords and the measurements of parts of the triangles add up. So in this example here for 1 through 9, we're going to look at circle P. CD is 24, and we see a radii is perpendicular to it. That means that each part is going to be broken into 12. And we also should point out that QP is congruent to PR. Okay, now we just need to go through and find all these measurements. AQ, since it's the same as the other chord over here, it is also 12. RC we see is half of the given chord, so RC is 24 or is 12. QB is half of the other chord, which is the same as CD, so it is also 12. Now AB's chord is the same as chord CD, so that is 24. The measure of arc DY, that's right over here. Okay, and they tell us that CY is 45. So if CY is 45, the intercepted arc is also congruent, so YD is also 45. Arc AB over here, well, it's the same as the other chord, 45, 45, so we know that's going to be 90 when we add them together. The measure of arc AX is 45, we've already established that. XB, 45 as well. And then finally CD, 45 and 45 added together makes 90. For number 10 through 15, we're looking at this picture here, where they tell us that DG is congruent to GU right here, so DG is also 3. AC is equal to RT. Alright, so this chord is equal to RT right here. Find each measure. Okay, first we're going to talk about TU. Well, TU is this distance right here, and in order to find this, we have to apply Pythagorean theorem. We have a right triangle here. 3 squared plus unknown x squared, which is the side TU, is equal to 5 squared. So x squared equals 25 minus 9. X squared equals 16. The square root of 16 is 4. Okay, so this side is 4, and that's our TU. TR is just simply 4 times 2, since we know we're bisected. The radius is bisecting it, so that's 8. And then the measure of arc TS, this arc right here. Okay, that's going to have the same measure as this central angle right here, which goes with the triangle, the 5, 4, 3 triangle. And so we're going to have to apply some trigonometry here. If we use the relationship of 4 and 3, that's opposite over adjacent. So that is the tangent of unknown angle x, let me label x right there, is equal to 4 over 3. To solve for x, we have to apply tangent inverse. And doing that in our calculator yields 53.1 degrees. Okay, so the measure of arc TS is the same as the angle TGU, which is 53.1 degrees. CD, on the other side, CD also is 4. GD is 3. Okay, and then the measure of arc AB will have the same measure as TS, 53.1. Okay, then lastly down here, 16, a chord of a circle is 20 inches long. A circle 20 inches long is 24 inches from the center of the circle. Find the length of the radius. Give a quick sketch of this. Here's a circle. Alright, we know radius is 24. That's how much it's measuring, and we know this chord, let's say it's this right here, we know that is 20. So if that distance is 20, we're going to be cut in half right here at 10 and 10, and then